Yep, we finally hit something, guys. This is at silver serving pieces. I need to see in this. Pirate. I'm on vacation. Check this out. Look at that. This is the view outside of our hotel room. I'm going to get you guys another good view or two today and what's going on. But we are up here in Tahoe. Little woman and I, we're in our hotel room. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Snow everywhere. Look at that. You could just see. Oh, that's so beautiful. There's our car right down there covered in snow. Guess which one it is. All right, Pirates, look, here we are. It's actual snow. No, we're still in California. But yeah, it does snow like this. I lied. California is about 700 feet that way. We're technically in Nevada. Okay, guys, now we're officially in California. We just left Nevada. For those who don't know, Lake Tahoe is like a ski resort area. You can see all things heavenly everywhere, snow. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm on my first ever gondola ride. I've never in my life been on a gondola. I'm scared of heights. Almost had a heart attack my first time on a plane. Now let's see if I can handle our first time in a gondola going up the side of a mountain. Just like that, I am
in love. I feel at home.
Sick to my stomach. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't this beautiful? And we're going. We're going all the way up there?
Yeah. There's 2 stops.
All the way up there. Wave to everybody over there. They don't know we're looking at them. You're on camera. You're on YouTube. See, they waved. Group of people on the other gondola. I don't know who you are, but shout out to you. You were in my YouTube video. She says, look, I don't want to look at them. I'm definitely afraid of heights, guys. I'm definitely afraid of heights. Look at that. But the crazy thing is, look how we're only 12 feet from the ground. But I feel like we're...
Oh, no.
Shut the front door. What? I'm not supposed to be above clouds. It's just not. Okay, guys, literally about 10, well, maybe about 22 minutes ago, I showed you where the car was. That's where the car is. It's way. It's way. Way. Oh my God. Wow, guys, I like to be a transparent person. I can't even tell. This right here, walking across that part right there is see-through floor, worst anxiety. All my mind is doing is looking through this metal and thinking that I'm gonna fall through it. I'm just too heavy and I'm gonna go out. It's freaking nuts. Oh, we made it to the lodge. He says 6 feet of social distance with all these people here. Isn't that funny? Just wanted to show you guys I'm in this line to get lunch. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, what is it? Are we in heaven? This is just, we're still above the clouds. I can see one below us over there. Look, you're technically in my video. If you see in the mirror, in the back, it's like going back. You can't see you, but you can see our silhouette. Everybody, this is the little woman. It doesn't look as bad through there. If I look past you and I look down, it's freaking nuts. Look, there's the clouds again. Look, there's a horse. California was boring. We're back in Nevada again. Look, guys, that's where we were, way up there. And just like that, we had lunch, guys. Look at this. Some Tahoe barbecue. What'd you get, little woman?
I don't even know.
Brisket, beef, mac and cheese. I got one of each, sampler platter. Quick tour through the Hard Rock. Check that out, guys. That is actual Kurt Cobain's stuff right there. We're gonna find that in the stores, you know, huh? That'd be priceless. Yep, we finally hit something, guys.
The light is on.
Look at that. Here we go. A blink of an eye. Back to we got to go through this unit. I was just making a TikTok video. I know it says it's silver serving pieces. I need to see in this. I need to know what's in this. We're going to go right to that box. No ands, ifs, or buts about it. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and move this. What is this? I'm going to move this. Let's bring this out here. This box here, not marked. Nope, miss item storage. I like the way that one sounds, so believe it or not. We're gonna go right to this one because that's all we need right here. Come on. Serving pieces. Come on. You know what? Come on. please. Silver plated. Ah. Who's gonna get excited? It doesn't look like silver. Okay, come on. It's getting sad. That's what we needed. Was bro. First time I ever had a storage unit, I lost. So I first started this business, things went bad. At the end of this unit, I ran my business for 2 years on that K29. I spent a lot of time there. This row brings back memories. It's kind of weird. I haven't brought that up yet, but a long time ago, like 15 years ago. This looks like silver. I don't know though. Damn, that one almost felt like silver, just the way it bent. That's a bummer. You gotta look in every little interesting. That would be sweet. Nope, Rogers. Jesus. Silver plate. No. But it's definitely not the silver I want to find. I would like to find a nice pile of silver that just puts the actual unit into profit. Because this type of stuff is not a good sale. You could sell it. I'm not saying that it's not worthless, but this is not the treasure I'm hunting for. It's not my end all. If that was gold, that would be nice. Well, it is pretty nice though. I like that one. Oh, is this a genie lamp? Please, I need a good wish. No, it's not a genie lamp. Neat things though. Is this one actually? No. Turn out to be silver at this point. I'll let you guys know, but it's not looking too good on this. Edith, Elsie, and Bill, we wish you well. Community. Come on, guys. It was their anniversary and you couldn't get them some real silver? For guys, it's not silver. Stop calling your stuff silver. Getting people all excited. All right. All right, this is gonna be fun. Books, lots of books. Our friend Adam, okay. Thanks, Adam. Appreciate that. Appreciated our friend Adam. Let's go in here a little further. What's this? Okay, books. What's all that? Books. What's all this? Could it be something other than books? No, it date is okay. Signed by. Ooh. Okay. So it's okay. Rich Schindler, limited to 750 copies, number 543. This could be a good book. Let's see. Do we have like nothing but signed books? That would be nice. How do we tell? No. So, book one, surrender. Nope, not here. What do we got? Let's go down here a little bit. Let's see. Oh, all right. Signed by Howard Waldrop. Interesting. Okay. What is this? Letters from Hell. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Well, interesting. This is getting a little more. It's making me like almost like books for a second, and making me wonder like what I'm gonna do here. Okay. Signed by Keith Roberts. Signed by Gene Wolfe. Signed by Gene Wolfe. Signed by Gene Wolfe. Signed by Gene Wolfe. Wow. Okay. So, what does that mean? What does that represent in our world? Signed by Gene Wolfe, signed by Gene Wolfe, signed by Gene Wolfe. Interesting. I'm going to have to look these up and see what that constitute as. All those books are signed. Miscellaneous items, storage. Interesting. Who packed this stuff? Same. Okay. All right. Some Kleenex. We got a pen thing. That's kind of cool. Bill Pierce. What'd you got there? Italy. Very old style. Hat. Okay. You just never know what's going to be in the next dang thing. Funny, I found something like this the other day. Okay. What's in the next one? Ducks Unlimited. So they were hunters. Shouldn't presume that, but decks of cards. Nice. I need some of those. Let's see what kind of tray this is. China, 1915. Interesting. But it's 1915. I'm going to set that aside. Oi. Okay. Crown mixed nuts. Calculators, another letter opener. shaken, not stirred. Always, always, and forever. When I look at you, each moment's a dream to me. It somehow came true. Okay, we got plans. We got a foam board. Last and final box of this unit for today. It's getting dark. Handy pack art tablet. Would be nice to find something good. United Pacific annuity. Haven't really found nothing to excite me. It's intriguing. It's very intriguing. They collected these things. Ambassador nutcrackers. Weird. Okay. Some bookends. Some games. Okay. All right. Was this a Diamond by Zales bag, right? Come on. That's what it reminds me of, though. Seashells. Headley, 1913. Name, okay. Cortez Ball. Seashells. She liked seashells. Nice. Oh hell. Okay. I don't know what that is. We got gift boxes. Probably paper. We'll get back to that. Anything cute in here? No, not really. Some cool little stuff. Little trinkets. Tacky wax. We'll probably... So it looks like some stuff for the auctions, maybe. Not things. It feels like the one that I got super cheap is the much better one so far. And the one that cost more is the not so good one. But you always have to buy a person's units when there's two. There's a lot to go through in this storage right here. Got a few cool things that I think is actually going to get a fair amount of money back. These are all first edition books. Makes me more excited to go through the books. They're signed, etc., etc. Maybe we'll get a book guy here. Other than that, we'll see.